noravant is designed to stay clean with minimal effort. It doesn't matter what cleaning products you use or what you drop on its surface. Dirt finds it hard to stick. It just comes away easily and cleanly. The step change is the advanced new surface technology called shield form. It makes cleaning not just easier, but more efficient. Dirt releases faster, so larger areas can be cleaned much quicker than before. Healthcare environments expose floors to everything, from disinfectants to antiseptics like iodine. This surface is built for that routine. It resists staining, so dirt and liquid wipe clean away. There's nothing you have to worry about. With noravant, you can clean a whole building in less time than it would typically take. Cleaning professionals need to carry fewer specialized tools and cleaning agents because the surface resists dirt so effectively. In our extensive tests, noravant works with almost all commercially available cleaning agents on the market. So it's easier for customers to keep their flooring clean without doing any harm to its surface. It's rubber, reimagined for hygiene-first performance.